now that we had started our operations just about a year ago, I can more or less understand a little more why it's not that easy. But now to still say another difficulty we realized through the positive experience, I have to say, is positive experience with the startup companies, there is still, and that goes back to the basics I was saying in the beginning, there is still the lack of trust. And the lack of trust, I think, comes from the maybe, again, relying too much on the education, on the, the truth that everybody accepts, and not enough challenging the old ideas into the new ideas. I think this is really, again, going back to the challenge to be not afraid to speak the truth of your own opinions, to clarify any misunderstanding. And I would say today, if there was something where the Korean government could improve, it would be on, from the earliest year of the education, to give the chance to challenging, to be able to speak equal to equal, and to be able to bring in ideas which are unproven as high as possible. Korea has developed mostly on the recipe of hard work, but actually creativity is very difficult to measure with metrics. And this is my private opinion. I think some of you might disagree with me, but I still see the lack of self-confidence even from the best graduates that we can hire. Why is that? I think it is the problem of respecting the authority, the seniority, which is still very strong in the Korean culture. So I think the past development of Korea was based on a little bit like a military style, where you have a strong general who speaks very loud, and everybody believes he's right, and nobody will challenge, and all together we reach the objective or we die. Unfortunately, becoming myself a senior, too senior, and I'm afraid that I'm most of the time wrong. And this is something I in the people with who I work, is something I say from the start. I'm always wrong. Don't be scared to tell me I'm wrong. And I think the people who have started to understand this and who have challenged what I said is the most successful people in our organization. I think would be the model of Korea for the future and getting out of these difficulties you pointed out.